So let's go ahead and get right into it, you guys. If you have never seen me or heard of me before, you guys, my name is Trey. So a little bit about my professional background, you guys. I've been a loan officer from 2020 to 2022 during the interest rate hike down for refinancing properties. I also used to be a quality analyst, a contractor with Epic Games for the Fortnite and Fall Guys creative division, as well as being a national trainer for the gym, for Facebook and Instagram content moderation team, you guys. So I was introduced into trading in 2021. Invested about $4,000 into it, lost it, stopped it, and then I picked it back up in 2023. I'm an ICT trader. I found success in ICT methods, and so I preach and live by his trading rules, you guys. I've watched his entire mentorship twice. I'm on my third set right now, and so with that being said, man, let's go ahead and kind of get into this. So, not the worst week, right? We didn't have the worst week when it came to profits. We didn't make any profits for this week for my 300k account, you guys. We actually lost about $1,000, I think. I think we lost about $1,000. So we're down about $4,100, you guys. So what we care about is that trailing max drawdown. So I only have $3,400 to play around with. So we need to make $4,100 to come back to the break-even level. So that's something that is not going to be the easiest and not the fastest, right? Because I only have $3,000 to work with. This is a performance account, so I'm not gonna like be doing no fucking like 4 or 5 minis on this, right? I'm gonna have to just stick it to like 1 mini, you know, go to the micros. I even do 5 micros sometimes, you know. We're gonna have to slowly get this back up to break even, because this is just my first trade that I did on this account, man. Lost $3,000 on NASDAQ. I think I was way too overzealous. I was too happy. Money was just, you know, in my head. I was blinded by it, and so my judgments were wrong. On top of it being a pretty much bearish week for the past 2 weeks, you guys. We've had some very bearish. This is the Dow Jones. It was very bearish for S&P for the past 2 weeks, and that's mainly what I trade. So let's go ahead and break it down real quick, you guys. We're gonna talk about the account. So I ended up getting a new eval account. I was trading that alongside my PA account, and I ended up just blowing it. I was just like, fuck it, whatever, let me just reset it. And so we reset it Thursday, traded Friday. Came out with a $1,200 profit. This account, I have to pass this before August 15th, and so this is good. I'm glad to make about this amount. This is what I'm looking to be making about every day for the most part. Honestly, is about $1,000. Any more than that is amazing, but I'm gonna really try to be making about $1,000 a day with this account here. With my PA account, I lost the opportunity to pay for another one because it was another 100k account, but I was like, man, fuck it, I don't even care about that anymore. I'm in the 300k range. I can trade up to 35 minis. With this 100k static account, I can only trade up to 2 minis. It just doesn't even make sense at this point, man. I can make so much more money with the 300k versus this 100k static account. I've just been focusing on the 300k only. So and then this other one that I have, I'm already done with it pretty much. I have a max drawdown of 625. I'm currently at negative 615. I just lose $10 and this account is taken from me. So I might just honestly just throw it away just for the fuck of it, because it's kind of messing up, you know, what I got going on here. And so let's talk about the profits that I made. So Friday we did come out with a $471, which is nice. We were happy to get that, actually. Very big amount for where I'm at right now, in my personal opinion. Thursday we came out with about $57. You know, Wednesday we lost 1,000. Lost 1,000 on Wednesday. And then I think we made, let me see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I guess we lost about $2,000. $1,000 on Monday, another 1,000 here. So that's what we're looking at, you guys. Not too good for the PA count. So what you're gonna see is me actually recover from a drawdown. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like to recover from a drawdown. I may or may not give you because I'm working at my law firm job while I'm trading at the same time, so it's hard for me to, you know, record the trades that I'm doing while I'm also working this job. So I'll do my best to kind of like highlight the examples once I'm done for the week and show you guys where I made the money at you guys. But we're currently on recovering from drawdown mode right now, so that's what I'm gonna have to do with this account. Now let's go ahead and look at the charts when it comes to the S&P, you guys. So for the S&P, we actually did exactly what I thought we were gonna do, and now that's where the problem for me lies, is because it's like, damn, man, how can you guess where the charts are going, where price is gonna go, and you can't even capitalize off it? You know what I'm saying? I didn't even really make any money off of this, and I knew it was gonna go up, and I knew it was gonna hit this little fair value gap and reject down, and then hit this one right here for the daily, and then start going up. And that's exactly what it did. And so for next week, you guys, Monday, we're gonna trade to this PDH. We're gonna trade to this. We're gonna previous day high. We're gonna blow past that, and we're gonna trade past Thursday's previous day high. And then Tuesday, we're gonna go even further up, right? We may or may not hit this area here, but either way, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're gonna see it kind of drop down. The reason why we also say that too is if we come down to the 15 minutes, you guys, look at these lows right here. Look at these lows. It's too clean, too perfect. They left them here for a reason, you guys. The market algorithm left it there for a reason. So we're definitely going down. We're going past these, right? So that's what at least Monday and Tuesday are looking at. We're looking at a bullish day for Monday and Tuesday. The only problem with it is that if it doesn't fall within my personal trading, like quote unquote kill zones, like where ICT talks about, I can't make the trade. I can see it going there, but if it doesn't form during in the exact parameters that I need, I won't make that trade. And that's what's fucking, like, it kills me. I hate that. It does what I want it to do, but I can't capitalize on it. So I'm trying to watch more and more and find opportunities for me to really gain the money, and just you know what I mean, like if I can predict it, why shouldn't I benefit from it? So I'm trying to learn price action a lot better so that I can enter and, you know, mitigate my losses. I can't make risky trades at this moment right now because I only have $3,400 to play with this account, you guys, and that's just not, it's not a lot. It doesn't make me feel good, right? I will make the riskier trades with my eval account though, right? So the eval account for the 300,000, this one I can do that, right? I can do that, no problem there. So this is gonna be good though. I think if we're bullish at least these 2 days, it would be nice to recover completely, just recover completely from the drawdown for these next 2 days, especially since we're bullish, because that's my bread and butter. I'm bullish. I'm a bull trader, man. I buy, but I need to get better at these sells. So hopefully I can recover from the buys this week, this upcoming week, and then, you know, bridge that gap, and that'll be great. But we left the liquidity void right up here around this 5,600 level, you guys, this 5,600 and 5,590 level. We're definitely going to go up here. At what point, I don't know, but plan on it, at least covering this area here. That'd be great. We don't have much news coming for the next we actually do have a fairly volatile week this upcoming week. Monday, no news. Tuesday, we got 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. So this is in Central Standard Time for me, right? So 9 a.m. for me. We're gonna see jolts on Tuesday. Wednesday, we got a plenty of news for Wednesday. So I actually may avoid. I think Wednesday's gonna be a good week. I think Wednesday's gonna be a decent day. You can't trade news anyways. I don't like trading news because it's just too much going on, you guys. It's not that accurate. I think for me, I'm gonna wait until after 9 to get a trade. I'm gonna have to wait till 9. I'm gonna watch the 7:15 and then 7:30. We're gonna have some major jumps on Wednesday, you guys. So I actually looking at Wednesday and seeing how price is right now, it doesn't look too far-fetched for Wednesday to hit this. We leave a wick in this area and then we just kind of crash down. I could see Wednesday possibly running these previous day lows at the 5430 level, you guys, around here, and touching this area. I can see it sweeping both on Wednesday, but we'll see, you guys. We'll see. We might run this on Thursday or Friday, but we'll see, you guys. So that's what that's looking like. NASDAQ, pretty much kind of the same thing. We left that same liquidity void. We do have this. We haven't touched this fair value gap up here though. So and it looks like it's quite a bit of range here for it to cover. But once again, like I said, Wednesday we could probably touch this. We could probably even touch this here. Dow Jones is where I get most of my sentiment, though, you guys. So we're still definitely looking like it can go either way, honestly, right? The reason why I say that is because we definitely are going to go up here. If you go to the 15-minute, I love looking at the 15-minute. We left some nice clean highs over here on the 15. I think we have some nice room up here. There's still a lot of momentum and a lot of liquidity pools here for the bear pressure to kind of just kick in at any moment, but we're not that far away from it. When I look at the daily, I see personally we've ran this high, previous day high, right, twice. So this is kind of an indication of what the other indices are going to do based off of this. But since we did hit this previous day high, I can expect it to have some bearish pressure probably down here and then to jump back up. Look at these highs. They're too clean right here, you guys. So we already ran these. Actually, sorry, I know I'm all over the place. Tuesday, we touched this fair value gap. So we already touched it. Now that a Friday happened, we can reasonably expect Tuesday to come up here, take out previous Friday's high, and then reject off of this somewhere down. Yeah. If we reject off of this, I don't know. I want to see, me personally, I think we could hit this and then go right back up. I don't think we will actually really know until the end of the week, right? I really want to be more bullish because that's just where I can see stuff at, right? But I don't know, man. We might have a bearish rest of the year. We'll see. But anyways, this was long. That's kind of what we're looking at for me on my end, you guys. Hopefully I have some good news to give you guys this upcoming week when it comes to trading. And I think I'm gonna check out some of you guys' page, man. I want to see how you guys trade. I use ICT fair value gaps as well as higher time frame sentiment, and I use lower time frame executions, you guys. That's the way that I do it. I like to actually use Tradevate quite a bit. Let me show you guys one other thing real quick. The reason why I actually enjoy using Tradevate is because you can see shit like this. You see this right here? This right here. That is how I've been being very accurate and making quite a bit of money. All I gotta do is find out when we're bullish enough to take these out. This right here is my favorite pattern. I love seeing shit like this because especially on the S&P, we're definitely taking those out. And you see even like right here on NASDAQ, it's not as clean as it is on S&P, which is why I prefer S&P so much more over NASDAQ, because NASDAQ just does some funny shit. But this right here is beautiful as well. This is the equivalent to this. It's just that for S&P, this shit right here is just too clean. It's too good, man. So that right there, I love seeing these. This is why I like to use Tradevate. You know, at least for my exits, profit taking. And look at this. Look at this. Bam. Right here too. We're definitely gonna run that. We're running that. Definitely running that. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, man, it's your brother Trey. I'll see you guys in another video, man.